What's up, Acers? Ace here. Welcome back to my tutorial video. Now in today's video, I will teach you how to draw the head in 3 different angles. Now we are going to start off with the front view, and we're going to do what we did last time. I'm going to do it in time lapse. Then after that, I will explain it. Okay, so what I did for the chin, I brought it down to like a V-like shape on both sides, and like I did with the eyes, I made sure they're even on both sides. And if you haven't seen my eye tutorial, make sure to check it out. Link is in the description box below. And I simply just put the nose in the middle, and lastly I put the ears on both sides. Next, we're going to do the quarter view. Now, for the quarter view, I want you to draw a curve leaning more to the left or to the right. And then I want you to draw guidelines across the circle close to the ear. Next, we're going to draw the eyes. Now, it's going to seem like the one is bigger than the other eye. Point of view. The reason why we need to do the quarter view because it indicates that you are looking at someone in a different direction or turning around. We draw the nose close to the eyes, and we draw a little curved line to show it more as a nose. After that, we draw a line slightly under the nose to create the mouth. And lastly, we will do the side view. Now, for the side view, you don't have to do much, but pay attention. When you do the side view, curve the line where you start to draw the nose and the mouth. It sticks out more depending on how you draw it. And that's it. If you like it and you find this helpful, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and share with friends and family about this channel. And special thanks to my patrons as well. If you want to become a patron and support my work, link is down below. With that being said, I'm Ace, striving for greatness, and I'll see you next time. Peace.